Today I explain you how the sentence converted into the direct into indirect speech. My sentence is My sentence is he said I have been studying a lot. Here the said is the reported verb and the I have been studying a lot is the reported speech. Uh, when we converted the sentence into the direct and indirect speech, this is the sentence in the direct speech. We converted in the indirect speech. So the in the indirect speech he said is the reported verb, then we started from to the subject, then we write if he said said is taking here same because the sentence in the statement, therefore the said is taken as a said. We used to connect this sentence that because of the sentence is in the statement form, therefore we use the connector that, and we know that the said is in the past form and I have been studying a lot, this reported speech in the tense of the present perfect continuous tense, then it converted into the indirect speech. I is here subject, then it is converted into the third person he, because here he is speaking. Here the reported speech in the present perfect continuous tense, then the reported when we converted into indirect speech, it's converted into the past perfect continuous tense, then it is converted into the he had been here. No change occur in studying. Here the said is the reported verb and I have been studying a lot is the reported speech. When we converted into the indirect speech, then here the first is the subject. We give a subject like here the subject is he, therefore we taking subject he, and said is not converted because of this reported speech in this statement form, therefore said is taken as said, and the connector is used for this sentence into indirect speech, that because of the sentence in the statement form, therefore we use connector that, and the I here I is the subject in the reported speech and the third person of I is he, and the reported speech in the form of the present perfect continuous tense, therefore we converted into the indirect speech, it converted into the past perfect continuous tense, therefore have been is converted into the had been, and here is no change occur in the studying a lot, therefore the sentence into the indirect speech is he said that he had been studying a lot. Thank you.